Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes it. And today I have quite an interesting and completely different video for you, which is now. I know I'm holding a box, but this is not unboxing. Now, if you have clicked this video already, I know you're a person that you do not mind if I open something from the box, and you don't mind if someone sends me something. What this video is about? A few days ago I got an email from Julia, and she writes that she and her hubby, they run online shop, and a year ago they came in to live in Ireland, and since then they were browsing through English podcasters. And they found me. They claim that I'm refreshing and a little bit different. She writes that they are known from their Handmade Gradients, yarns Woolpedia colors and Woolpedia Twinkle Z, and also their super soft Woolpedia Elegance Merino yarn. And she is very excited because they're going to partnership with someone, sorry, can't say the thing, but it's a quality yarn from Germany. And she wrote down, would I be interested to test any of her yarns? What else they do something like a surprise box, so you may not know what you're getting apparently. I put the link down below because she included the link so I don't have to look for it, so if you're interested, check it out. And would I be interested to get some? I will be interested to get some. That's really cool here that we have online shop. So basically I'm going to show you on the screen now before I open the box, because I don't have a clue what it's in there. I said, you know what, whatever you send me, I'll be happy with it. I haven't expected to receive such a big box. Yes, I did cover my dress. So I don't know, it's probably too much. And basically that's all. So I got this box for free. I don't know what's in it. I presume the only thing when I get it is to test knit. I normally show it on my video over here, and what I can do with the yarn, it's up to me, according to that, right? Right. Okay, let's open up. It's too big to hold it, but the box itself is the piece of art. Literally, you can definitely keep it. I probably will. I'll see if I can get the post code or even cover if I had a bigger, you know, I could probably stick it over my shelves and have an extra space for my yarn, because it's so nice. Inside, quite an eco-friendly postage. Hopefully I'm not, there's another thing. Spoiled rotten. Okay, check this out. I know, closer. You see it? Okay, 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 okay. Okay. I don't know what to grab. Okay, the biggest one. Okay, the biggest one I see is this one. Right, closed up. I don't have a clue what it is. I had a glimpse on their website, and according to my knowledge, what they can do a custom dye. I'm not sure now, I'm a little bit confused in which blend, so what kind of content of this yarn is. I'm not sure about that. But we have Woolpedia colors, and do you see this? Beautiful blue with a bit of delicate green. That's really nice. Subtle. Materials, we have 50% cotton, 50% polyacrylic. I have never knitted with a blend like this. We have such a cute idea over here, if you can notice. There is a small, I think I can make a stitch marker from it. There is a leaf, see this? And attached to the center, so I presume this is the center, and then you can straight away knit through it. It's quite big. It's 1,000 meters. I think you can actually pick from their website. Maybe if I go on the website now, I find this thing, so you can see it on the screen, Woolpedia colors, and you probably can pick plies and meterage. And then you can, during the checkout, inform what kind of two colors you would want to mix together. Because I think that's the one, I'm guessing. And yeah, handmade in Ireland. Oh, that's cute. So check her out, 1,000 meters. You can have a shawl, yeah, 1,000 meters. You could probably add it to some project even if you want to. How beautiful. 50-50, 50-50. Next big one. Okay. Handmade in Ireland, we have completely different blend. We have 42% model. I don't even know what that is, so check the screen. I'll write it down so we learn. 38% polyacrylic and 20% polyamide. Woolpedia colors, the same colors. So maybe if this is written down, that's mean that you can customize. Is that 3 colors? It looks like 3: lighter, slightly darker, and then we have purple, and we have Dalphia 3 plies. It is also 1000 meters. This is the same as this. 1000. Handmade in Ireland. Oh yeah, and look, now we have a butterfly, so we know where the center is. I've never knitted with a blend like this. Now, next one. I see something tiny. And over here we have 2 by 50 grams. Is that 2 by 50 grams? Ooh, I get it. okay, yeah. So 2 by 50 gram 4 ply to Barbara, handmade, I don't know how to say this thing, mulching free. We have 75% wool, 25% polyamide, so this is for socks. And we have merino doubles purplishes. I hope I'm not making up words. Normally I do. This is such a nice colors, don't you think? Will it stripe? I'm curious. So basically what I've noticed, that's 2 by 50, because you could notice we have 2 ends over here, which comes from this beautiful flower. Who knows, I love flowers. This is brilliant. And look how matchy we are. So I really love that. So basically I love to knit socks 2 at a time. So from this bow, from the center, I will be pulling a yarn and knitting 2 at a time. So nice. That's probably will go on my needles. 3 more. And I have a letter. Okay, let's grab this. I don't know what that is, but it's so soft. It's like, ooh, marshmallow. This is again Woolpedia colors. Cloud, that's how it calls, to Barbara. Fluff, that's what it's called. And 100% bamboo. So I presume in Germany this is cotton. No way. I have to. Bamboo? I need to check that. I think that's cotton. If that's cotton and it's like a fluff, unbelievable. Can you see it? I saw that shiny bit of a silk here. I was expecting silk. See this? You could see it, definitely. But it's like when you touch it. Oh my, this is literally a fluff. Fluff, can you see this? Here's a cloud. Do I see a bit of gradient over here, or it's just one color? Julia, if you're watching, let me know. This is so nice. What you can do with 100% wool? No, not wool, cotton. That's quite an interesting and very tempting to knit before summer. Now I know I will spend another few hours on Ravelry looking through this blend and finding projects. And this looks amazing. That reminds me of my pouch color. Okay, check this out. You see this? Ooh, so nice. Apparently it knits up like this. Super ball crazy, I would say. That's how it calls. I love this kitten. Oh, and this, what she says in an email, that they're going to have this company on their website. Do they have it already? Here it is. I'm just going to show you everything. Yes, this is an eye. And this is crocheted, I think, although I'm not sure. And here's information, 75% 25, virgin wool and polyamide, 420 meters. So this is also for socks, or just some really nice finger weight shawl. If you can get in 100 grams, that's a little bit little. This is too pretty for socks, what do you think? Too pretty. And the last one, and a letter. Okay, Victorian to Barbara. Woolpedia, and we have Merino Elegance 6 ply, 320 meters, so this is sport weight, 100 grams, 75% sure wools and polyamide. So will that be superwash wool, or I need to check it out. And then we have hand dyed and mulching free. I hope I'm saying it right, probably not. Please correct me if you're watching. So check it out, this is what you have written down. I want to go dark. Do you see how deep purple this is? Few of my friends that love purple, they probably are squeaking now if you're watching this video. Oh, and now this is so plum. This is really nice. I would not say that it's 75-25, although it could be that because it's 320 meters. But I've hauled 320 meters before, didn't I? Okay, so beautiful. I'm sorry, I have to do it. I just... Look at this. Check this out. This is so nice. What I should knit with this, if I hold it here, you could see it. Ooh! Now, good that I took it off. Check this out. Oh, we have a sneak peek. So here it is. No worries, I have a tape. And here it is. They're from Sligo! Okay, so dear Barbara, many thanks for featuring our yarn. They manufacture gradient yarns like Fresh Cotton Mix and Dahlia, Maldel Mix in Ireland, Sligo. So let's check it out. Fresh, Dahlia, and I think Fresh is this one, and Fresh. She is referring to those two yarns. So these two are handmade by her and her husband. Ooh, do you see this? This one. I told you I don't have a clue what model is, and she explains that. So basically this is a vegan yarn. The model is wood and the rest is polyacrylic and polyamide. So this yarn is for everyone who does not want to use any animal related blends. Model, natural fiber, source, wood. Other yarns that I showed you, they were hand dyed in cooperation with other manufacturers. Fluff is from Egypt. That's a cotton, yeah, so I guessed right. Bamboo is a cotton from Egypt. That's so soft. They hope they will have enjoyment with all their yarns. They send me only some of their quite a big assortment, and they wish me loads of knitting and crocheting. So yeah, they kind of read my mind because I'm just into crocheting now. I haven't started any project, but it kind of rings my bell all the time. And at the end, now I know Julia's husband is Chris. So thank you so much for sending these beauties my way. I hope you enjoyed this one. Check their website, check what they have, and browse it through. Maybe you'll find something that, like I like to do, I try new blends in my knitting adventures, maybe crocheting adventures in the future. I'm going to put all links down below. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag #KnittingILove. Show me what you're knitting, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Again, this is my first impression of this yarn. I see at least 3 things that I want to cast on straight away. Obviously, the time limits, but probably in the near future you will see me playing with it. Bye. Thank you.